Hello everyone, we're here today with Greg Naponi, Product Manager at Embarcadero Technologies. It's Friday, March 6th, and today we're here to talk about best practices of DB Optimizer. Greg, what do you got?
Hi everybody, Greg Naponi here. Back at you one more time to talk about DB Optimizer. As you may or may not know, DB Optimizer is our SQL profiling and tuning tool. It is multi-plat, meaning it covers Oracle, SQL Server, Sybase, and DB2, all through the same product. Today I want to bring up an interesting use case. We've been talking to a lot of prospects and customers about DB Optimizer lately. And with our release of 1.5 coming out on March 17th, we want to share with you a nice best practice with DB Optimizer. One thing we're noticing is that when you combine something like profiling and tuning, there's a tendency for some folks to drop large amounts of SQL into the tuner to see if it actually finds any better ways to rewrite that SQL or better hints to inject into the SQL for better performance and execution paths. The best practice we want to talk about today is actually it's absolutely fundamental practice to go and profile the database before you tune your SQL. And the reason why we say that is because it's much better focused use of your time to simply tune the SQL that's actually causing bottlenecks or heavy loads on CPU than to actually just drop SQL into the tuner and have it suggest ways to fix it right off the bat. It's better to actually go and discover the SQL you want to tune so you can kind of focus your efforts and spend your time more wisely so you're actually tuning the SQL that actually matters and needs to be tuned in the first place. That's a very simple use case. In the video that we saw last week from Kyle Haley, the 7-minute demo, it walks you through the perfect use case and a really great workflow for DB Optimizer. Profile your database, discover the SQL that needs to be optimized, tune that SQL, and watch the performance of the database drop and increase the performance of your overall application as well. So I just want to share that best practice with you. It's always a good idea to profile first, then tune, and then reprofile to make sure that you see the increased performance that you're hoping for. We'll see you again next week.
Thank you, Greg. And for this and more information on our products, visit us at Embarcadero.com. Have a great week.